welcome to my story corner. As you can see today, I'm a tiger, and you will find out why in a little bit. So today in Story Corner, the toys decided they wanted to have breakfast together, and they decided that they wanted cornflakes. Now I think cornflakes are pretty boring, but they wanted cornflakes, so we've got cornflakes. So Andrina and Alina are up here, eating their tasty bowl of crunchy cornflakes. Cedric has kept his biscuit. He does love a biscuit. And where's Boris? Oh no! They even got Boris his own little bowl of cornflakes. I wonder where he's gone. Well, I hope he comes back in time for the story or he's going to miss it. So today's story doesn't have a tiger on the front. So you're probably going to wonder, why on earth am I dressed as a tiger? Today's story involves cornflakes. Now you're intrigued. Today's story is, there's a lion in my cornflakes. A lion, not a tiger. A lion. So first of all, we're going to read the blurb. Yeah, so it's on the back. It says, have you ever collected coupons from a cereal box? I did when I was little. Maybe you were saving them up for a book or a toy. Well, me and my brother Dan are collecting 100 coupons so that we can have our very own lion. That's right, a real lion. Sounds easy enough, doesn't it? Ooh. I've never had a box of cereal where you could get a lion. So I hope you're going to enjoy. There's a lion in my cornflakes. I hope there isn't one in Andrina's and Alina's cornflakes. Okay. If you ever see this on a packet of cornflakes, ignore it. You should see what happened when we didn't. Me and my brother Dan made umpteen trips to the supermarket and spent a whole year's pocket money on cereal. That's a lot of cereal, look. It took us ages to cut out all of the coupons. Mum was so mad, she made us eat cornflakes for breakfast, lunch and tea. She said we'd have nothing but cornflakes until they were all gone. Sounds awful. That could take forever. And she said there'd be no more pocket money until we'd eaten up every last boring, crunchy cornflake. But we didn't mind. We really wanted a free lion. Look at their cupboard full of cornflakes. We could take it for walks, fetch, ride it to school, and use it to open tin cans. It says, don't try this at home with your cat. Mind you, it seemed everyone else had the same idea. Thank you. Poor postman. Everybody wants a lion. We waited and waited for our free lion to arrive. But there was no lion on Monday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday. Thursday? No lion. Friday? No lion. Saturday? Still no lion. Even worse, by the time that Sunday came, everyone else had theirs. How unfair is that? Call the lions. That one's on a skateboard. He's in the ice cream van. On the swings. Then, on Monday, a delivery truck arrived We were so excited. But 1, it wasn't a lion. 2, they sent it next door by mistake. And 3, it went ballistic in Mr. Harper's backyard. It wasn't our fault, but Mum went bonkers. She made us apologise to Mr. Harper and tidy up. It was awful. We had a grizzly bear, a grumpy mum, and absolutely no free lion. Stupid bear. We wrote to the cereal people and complained. They wrote back. There's their letter back. Dear Eric and Dan, sorry about the grizzly bear, but we ran out of lions. Please accept this crocodile instead. Yours sincerely, Mr. Flaky. P.S. Handle with care. A crocodile? Dan said. We didn't eat all those cornflakes for a cranky old crocodile. And guess what? The crocodile spent all its time in the bathroom so no one could get in. Dad went nuts. He made us scrub the bath whilst he telephoned the cereal people. Sorry, they said. We'll sort it out straight away. We asked for a lion, not a grizzly bear, not a bathroom hogging crocodile, and definitely not a whacking great gorilla. But that's exactly what we got. It took an immediate fancy to Dad's car. No! He was not impressed. Right, that's it, he fumed. Everyone in. I'm going to give those cereal people a piece of my mind. Ooh, Dad's angry. The cereal people said sorry again. But they really had run out of lions. They said that we could keep the whacking great gorilla, the bathroom hogging crocodile, and the very grizzly bear. And they also gave us, can you see what they gave us? A lifetime supply of cornflakes. Finally, Dad was happy, but Mum wasn't. And we certainly weren't. You can't take a packet of cornflakes for a walk. I don't think you can. Stupid cornflakes. Cornflakes won't get you to school in style. They won't. Can cornflakes help you open a tin of tomatoes? Not on your Nelly. But hang on a minute. Chomp! A crocodile is the meanest can-opening machine I've ever seen. A grizzly bear can walk for miles and miles and miles. And there can't be a better way of arriving at school than this. So, don't ever bother saving up for a lion. It's not worth the trouble. And besides, everyone's got one. But a free tiger. Just imagine. And that's the end of the story. Told you there was a reason I was dressed as a tiger and not a lion. Well, Boris hasn't come back. Don't know where he is. So, cornflakes, like I said, I think are pretty boring. But I'm going to show you a way to make them more fun. So what you'll need is... Do you know what's in the cornflake packet? Can you see that? Boris, what are you doing in the cornflakes? You wanted to eat some? I got you your very own bowl, Boris. Can we make cornflakes more fun? We absolutely can. Let me pop you there, Boris. So, to make cornflakes more fun, all you need is some cornflakes, some chocolate, and some paper cases. So what you need to do is melt your chocolate in a bowl. Now you're going to need some help from a grown-up for that, okay? You can put it in a bowl, and then if you put some boiling water underneath, it will melt the chocolate nice and slowly, and it'll be really yummy. Then if you tip your cornflakes into the melted chocolate, and then you mix them up, they end up looking like this. This is the best bit because you can actually eat the spoon. Eat the spoon. It's really good. So mix them all around, and then tip that mixture into your paper cases. I'll try not to drop mine everywhere like this. And keep building it up until it's full to the top. Like that. And then pop it in the fridge and they will set. And then you get your very own chocolate cornflake cakes, and they are delicious. So if you have any old cornflakes hanging around that are a little bit boring, there you go, Boris. You can have, oh no, Boris. He's jumped off with excitement. There you go. Very own cornflake cakes. Then make some. Okay, so chocolate, cornflakes, paper cases, melt the chocolate, mix the cornflakes in, put them in the cases, put them in the fridge. Delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed. There's a lion in my cornflakes, not a tiger. And enjoy making some cornflake cakes. I'm going to enjoy mine now. I hope you're all safe and keeping well, and join me again soon for another story.